Bismillah. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to draw the cumulative frequency curve for cumulative frequency table. If we have cumulative frequency table like that, for example, this is the score and this is the number of students who achieved this score. So from 11 to 20, we have 5 students. From 21 to 30, we have 9. 31 to 40, we have 13. 41 to 50, we have 10. 51 to 60, we have 3. Now, if I need how many students less than 20? So 5. How many students less than 30? 5 plus 9, which is 14. How many students less than 40? 13 plus 9 plus 5, so 27. And so on. How many students less than 50? 10 plus 13 plus 9 plus 5, so 37. How many students less than 60? 3 plus 10 plus 13 plus 9 plus 5, 40, which is the total. So this column is called cumulative frequency. This column starts from the first value for the frequency, then add 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 13, 27, 27 plus 10, 37, 37 plus 3, 40. And end with the total of the frequencies, or the total number of students. Now, we can draw a curve, the score in x-axis, and the cumulative frequency in y-axis. So the vertical line is the cumulative frequency and the horizontal line is the score. But for the score we have upper and lower. Take the upper and the cumulative frequency. So 20 and 5, 30 and 14, 40 and 27, 50 and 37, 60 and 40. So now you have the vertical line, the greatest value for the cumulative frequency 40, so we can divide like 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, so it's an interval 10. And now for x-axis till 60, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The first point 20 and 5, 20 and 5. The second point 30 and 14, 30 and 14. Then 40 and 27, 40 and 27. 50 and 37, 50 and 37. 60 and 40, so 60 and 40. Then join these points together by a small line and join the last point with the origin. This is called cumulative frequency curve. Cumulative frequency curve. From the cumulative frequency curve, we can find the median or the middle value. To find the middle value, find the order of the median. Order of the median, because we have 40, just divide the total frequency by 2. Because the median is the value after 50%. After 50%. So to find the median, find the order for the median first. Divide the total frequency by 2 to get 20. And from 20, draw horizontal line till you reach the curve. Then drop this line vertically. So this is the value for the median. So the median 35. Also we can find the lower quartile. Lower quartile is the value after 25% from the values. To find this value, lower quartile, multiply the total frequency by 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 times 40, which is 10. Start from 10, draw horizontal line till you reach the curve, then go down. This is the value of lower quartile. So lower quartile, 26. Upper quartile, the value after 75%. To find this value, multiply the total frequency by 3 over 4. 3 over 4 times 40, which is 30, horizontal line, then vertical line. So this is the value for upper quartile, 42. Now we have median, upper and lower. Also we can find the interquartile range. Interquartile, upper minus lower, upper minus lower. So 42 minus 26. So 16, so this is the interquartile range. Interquartile range show you the variance between the values. And from this cumulative frequency curve, you can find how many students less than 40. Start from 40, then go up till you reach the line, then find the corresponding value on y-axis. For example, less than 40, so this value about 27. So 27 students less than 40. But if I need how many students more than 40, after we start from 40 and get the corresponding value on y-axis, which is 27, but I need more than 40, so 40 minus 27. So the total frequency minus the answer you get in from y-axis. So I need less than 40, so find the answer directly from y-axis. If I need more than 40, so the total frequency minus that value. So lower quartile, the value at 25%. Median, the value at 50% from the values. This is the starting for the values. After 25%, lower quartile. After 50%, we have the median. After 75%, upper quartile. In a similar way, we can find the value or after 65%, 65%, this will be there. How to find this value, which is after 65%? This is called 65 percentile. To find this value, multiply 65% by the total, 65% multiply 40, and after you get the answer, draw horizontal line till you reach the curve, then go down. So you can find any percentile, not 25% and 50% and 75% only. You can find any percent. For example, you can find 30%. Multiply 30% or 30 percentile by the total frequency, then horizontal line and vertical line to find 30 percentile. Now we can practice. We have cumulative frequency curve, time and cumulative frequency. We need to find the median. To find the median, the total frequency 80, so multiply 80 by half to find the order for the median, so 40, or divide 80 by 2, and from 40, draw horizontal line till you reach the curve, then go down. So it's better to use your ruler, and from 40, draw horizontal line till you reach the curve, then go down. So approximately 6.2. So the median 6.2. We need 30 percentile. To find 30 percentile, multiply 30% times 80 to find the order of the 30 percentile. So 24. Now from 24, from 0 to 10, we have 5 lines. So each small square represents 2. So 24, this 24, this 24. Draw line from 24 till you reach the curve, then find the corresponding value on x-axis. So this is the 30 percentile. I think 5.8. So 5.8, this is the 30 percentile. Now I need the number of students taking more than 5 minutes. More than 5. More than 5. So start from 5 on x-axis. Then go up till you reach the curve. Then find the corresponding value on y-axis. Will be 10. So 80 minus 10, because I need more than. Because 10 is less than 5. 10 less than 5, but more than 5, 80 minus 10. So 70. So 70, which is more than 5 minutes. Number 2, we have the cumulative frequency curve, and we have the table. From the table, find the probability that an egg chosen at random is graded very large. So very large. So how many egg chosen classified very large? 54 plus 30. So in all we have 84. So to find the probability, divide 84 by the total frequency, which is 300. And you can simplify or you can leave. So 84 over 300. This for A. Now for B, you have the cumulative frequency curve. From the cumulative frequency curve, we need to find median, lower quartile, interquartile, and the number of eggs greater than 65 grams, with a mass greater than 65 grams. So first, how to find the median? As we did before, to find the median, find the order for the median, divide 300 by 2, so you have 150. Now from 150, draw horizontal line till you reach the curve. So this is the median. So 62, the median 62, because 2 small lines after 60, so 62. Now to find the lower quartile, multiply 1 over 4 by 300, so 75. Now from 75, this 75, the halfway between 50 and 100, and draw line, horizontal line, till you reach the curve. So the answer 52. So the lower quartile 52. Lower quartile 52. And the median 62. Now to find the interquartile, we need to find the upper quartile, then subtract upper minus lower. So to find the upper, multiply 300 by 3 over 4. 300 times 3 over 4, so 225. 225, the halfway between 200 and 250. So the upper quartile 72, or between 71 and 72, we can consider 72. Now to find the interquartile, 72 minus 52, so 20. To find the number of eggs with a mass greater than 65, start from 65 on the horizontal line, then go up. Now from 65, so the corresponding value 175. I need more than 65. So 300 minus 175, which is 125. So 125.